Here's a stat that most CAT coaching centers don't want to talk about. Out of every 100 students who register for CAT, only about 2 make it to an IIM. Now, most people blame that on intelligence or the difficulty of the exam. But here's the uncomfortable truth. The majority of those 98 students, they were smart enough. They had the material, they had the time. They just couldn't stay consistent. And consistency, not intelligence, is what CAT actually tests. Think about how most students actually prepare for CAT. They sign up for a course, they download 3 apps, they make color code, study plan, and the first week, incredible. 4 hours a day, full mock test, detailed error logs. And then week 2 hits. There's an assignment due to college, a project, a deadline and a work, a cousin's wedding, and suddenly the streak breaks. 1 missed day becomes 3, and 3 becomes a week. And before they know it, it's October. CAT is just 6 weeks away. And they're starting from the scratch again. That's not a motivation, that's a problem. This is not a laziness problem, this is a system problem. Whether you are working professional squeezing prep into lunch breaks, a final year students juggling placements and exams, or a repeater who's done this before and knows how hard it is to stay on track, the story is the same for everyone. You don't need more content, you already have enough. What you need is a daily anchor. Something small, achievable, and non-negotiable. Now, Cracku has been helping students crack CAT for years. We are India's #1 CAT coaching platform. And over thousands of interactions with students, toppers, first-timers, working professionals, we keep hearing the same thing. I know the concepts, I just need something to keep me going every single day. So we built exactly that. Introducing Cracku Daily Targets. Every single day, 1 test from VARC, Quant, and DILr. All the 3 sections of CAT cover every single day. But here's what makes it smart and not just the random questions thrown at you. Each section is structured exactly like the way CAT actually works. In VARC, 4 days a week, you'll get a full reading comprehension passage with questions. And 1 day a week, it switches to verbal. In DILr, every day you work through 1 complete set. And in Quant, it's 5 questions every day fixed, rotating across the full syllabus so nothing else is left behind. Now, you might be thinking, a few questions a day, that's like nothing. How does that make a difference? But here's the thing, consistency compounds. Over the course of your preparation, that adds up to 600 plus targeted tests with video solutions. That's 600 deliberate focus practice moments covering every major topic without ever burning out. And there's one more thing, Cracku rewards consistency. Complete your streak and you'll be running to win a Cracku t-shirt. It's a small thing, but it's a daily reminder that showing up matters. The basic daily target, go and give today's test. No paywall, no trial period. Just open Cracku, go to daily targets and start. The link is in description. Over 20,000 students have trusted Cracku's daily target, and the results speak for themselves.
In the morning I used to get up. I had to solve the 3 questions before leaving for office. Otherwise, you couldn't eat, you couldn't have breakfast. You have to solve that first. बाद में जो करना है दिन में आप करो. So that kept you on the go.
Number gives you kind of satisfaction that yes, you're true to yourself, you're working towards a goal. And in some days when I was very busy or maybe I was traveling, so the only good thing I'll have about my preparation is that at least I gave a daily test. I'm doing something, I'm keeping the mind active, and maybe I was not able to do much today, but my commitment is there.
Stay consistent for a long time. So what happened is, like doing daily targets, that streak, I used to use Snapchat a lot. This streak game was deep into me.
Like tests, so I made sure that I was appearing for those 3 tests on a daily basis and not miss out on that. They helped me build consistency and the patience to go through and help me stay connected with the topic.
Daily targets really helped. It helped me build consistency, and initially I was averse to certain topics.
Cracku has these 2 best things, which is daily targets and steady targets were really good.
That's the real value here. It's not the questions. It's a daily signal to your brain that says, I am still in this. I haven't quit. I'm moving forward, and when the exam day arrives, the mental resilience, the habit of showing up, it's exactly what separates these students who perform from the students who freeze. So here's what I want you to do right now. Go to Cracku, the link is in description, and try today's daily target. VARC, DILr, Quant, all the 3 sections right now. And do it again. tomorrow and the day after tomorrow. Because the students who crack CAT don't do it because they found the magic shortcut. They do it because they showed up every single day, even when it was just few focused questions. Start your streak today. The link is right below, and if you found this video useful, drop a like, share it with your friends who's preparing for CAT, and subscribe so you don't miss what we are putting on next. All the best, you've got this, and keep following Cracku.